Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by signing in and checking if your desired name is available. Do this on the Xbox app or console. Once signed in, type a clean name without numbers and watch the availability indicator. If the exact name is taken, prepare alternate variants that change spacing, capitalization, or add short words. This keeps the look numeric-free. Make sure to save any current gamer tag details before making changes so you can revert if needed. Next, you refine and claim the name. Try inserting a small word or changing capitalization to create uniqueness while keeping no numbers, because Xbox allows duplicate names with unique tags. Use only permitted symbols and letters. Avoid special characters that Xbox blocks. Once you find an available option, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the change and pay any fee if required. After confirming, check how it displays in menus and friends lists to ensure readability and consistency. Finally, you confirm the change and immediately sign out and back in to force a refresh. If the console rejects the name, try small legal variations or remove disallowed symbols. Sometimes alternate spacing or a short extra word solves it. If problems persist, contact Xbox support and provide screenshots. Make sure to wait up to 24 hours for the new display to propagate across services. Meanwhile, avoid making another change to prevent extra fees or conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.